Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Calm. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here in this page you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.